Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the products we are going to need as a beginner, and also the how to apply them. So guys, this is a primer and the setting spray that we'll be using. As a beginner, you need setting spray and primer. We'll be priming our face with it first of all. I'm going to show you how you are going to use the products, and all other products that I've not listed, I'm going to list them one by one, so keep watching. And also subscribe guys, so that you see more videos like this. Well, I'm priming my face guys with the primer I showed you now, but the setting powder and the setting spray, I am going to show you how you are going to use it later. Then this thing in my hand is called beauty blender. I bought it 300 naira. I'm going to use it to apply the foundation on my face. So this is the foundation guys. This one I bought it about 600 or so. So it is very affordable. That is why I am listing them out, how much I bought them to, so that you can go and buy them. So I dampen the beauty blender too. I wet it because you have to wet it first before you apply it on your face guys. And another thing guys, those two I showed you, the primer and the setting powder, a setting spray, sorry, I bought them 1500 naira together. They are Kids Beauty Green Tea Primer. So that's the product name. I forgot to tell you that, so that's what I'm telling you now. So obviously all of us knows we are going to use eye pencil. So everybody knows eye pencil is 100 naira. I bought it 100 naira, and I'm using it to draw my brows. So you are going to need eye pencil too. Then these are called concealers guys, dark and this lighter shade guys. You are going to need two like this. As a beginner you must need two this concealer. So I'm going with the lighter shade first, before then later in this video I am going to show you how you are going to use the dark shade. The two concealer I showed you, I bought them 300 each, which is 600 for the two, and I'm using the light shade first. I am using it to blend. That beauty blender I used to blend my foundation that time, that was the same beauty blender I am using to blend the concealer. So you need beauty blender, go and buy it. I bought it 300 naira, very cheap. Then when it is well blended guys, you are going to apply the concealer under your under eyes. I just applied it on my under eyes first, and then you are going to apply it on your nose, your chin, and your forehead. I apply it on my under eyes first because I want it to blend faster. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And as we are going in this video guys, I am going to show you all the products you will need as a beginner and how much you can buy them. I'm telling you how much I bought all of them guys, because I want you to have that in mind so that you can buy them as well as a beginner. And after watching this video guys, let me comment on the comment section, let me know what you think about it. So guys, I am also still using that same beauty blender I showed you before, which I have been using which I used to apply my foundation and the concealer. I'm still using it to blend other areas that I concealed with the beauty blender. Guys, I know you forgot to subscribe. Go and subscribe, let's be friends, and like this video too guys. I love you. Thank you for watching to this extent. Keep watching because I have more to show you guys. So I am blending in the areas right now with the beauty blender. After that, this is the setting powder. You are going to need it. This one I bought is 500 naira. It is very affordable guys. Black opal setting powder. You are going to need it to set the places you concealed with the concealer guys. And this is another beauty blender too. So one thing guys you need to understand is that you are going to need two beauty blenders, one for the foundation and concealer, then one for the setting powder, because you cannot use wet beauty blender to apply on your under eyes to apply the setting powder guys. So that is why I said you need two beauty blenders. The two is going to be 600 naira. So as a beginner you have to buy the two. So I'm applying that on all the areas I concealed: my forehead, my nose, and my under eyes. Next guys, I'm going to be showing you all the brushes I need. I have thrown away the pack, guys, that is why. But all these brushes I'm showing you, I bought them 400 naira. It is in one pack like that, guys, so you can get it at any shop, very cheap and affordable. So you can buy it as well, because it is very, very important. I'm going to show you how you are going to use all of them in this video. Then this is my powder. I bought it 500 naira, guys, and it is my skin tone. I'm opening it so that you will see the color. So any powder you are buying, try and make sure it is your skin tone. Then this is Miss Lovely eyeshadow palette, green tea product. This is the carton. I'm just trying to show you so that you will see it. Then I'm opening the palette to show you what is inside the eyeshadow. That place I'm pointing at is the blush. Then those two are powders, and these other side ones are the eyeshadow itself. So later in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to apply the blush. First, we are going to apply the blush and all the eyeshadows in there, so keep watching. And another thing, guys, before I showed you two concealers, I showed you the light one and the dark one. So I now use the light one first, but now I am going in with the darker shade to contour my face, because we want to bring back the color to our face. So that is why we are doing this thing. So you need it, you have to buy it too, guys. So that's why I told you I am going to use it later. So now is the time to use it. That is why I'm using it. I'm using it to contour my forehead, my cheekbone area, and also my nose too, because we want a pointed, sharp nose. And guys, this one too is another sponge that I bought. I bought this one 200 naira, guys. It is very affordable. You buy it, then you are going to use it to blend the areas you just contoured with the dark concealer, as you see me doing, guys. The eyeshadow I showed you is 600 naira. You can go and get it. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Forward, guys, one of those brushes I showed you that I told you I bought the pack 400 naira. That one of the brushes, the smaller one, that's the one I'm using now to blend my nose contour, because we don't want our nose contour to spread to other parts of our nose. So that is why we are taking this small brush to blend our nose contour. And next, I'm going in with this powder. This one is a dark shade powder. I'm going to open it and show you now. So this is a dark shade powder. It's darker than my skin tone. So the point of having this dark shade powder is to apply it on all the areas you contoured with the dark concealer, guys. So as you see me doing, guys, on my nose I apply that dark concealer. I am using this dark powder to apply, to mattify the areas. So to mattify the cheekbone area where we apply the dark concealer to, I am going to use that same product, but the sponge I'm using came with that powder, so you don't need to buy another sponge. It comes with the powder, and that powder I bought it 200 naira. So this is an highlighter. This is the highlighter I will be using for this tutorial. I'm going to use that next, but I'm just showing you now. Then eyelashes again too, we are going to need it. So after that, I'm going to go in with my one of the brushes to apply the eyeshadow on my eyelids. So that is why those brushes are important. So as a beginner, you need to get it. I hope you have not forgotten all that I mentioned here. Then this is eyeliner and mascara together. I bought this one 300 naira, guys. Just opened it now. That's the liner. Then I'm going to open the mascara part for you. We are going to use the liner to line our eyelids. This is the mascara. Now we are going to apply it on our natural eyelashes. So I bought it 300. You have to buy it to get this one too. It is very important. So after that, I'm going to show you how to use the liner. So I'm using the liner to line my eyelids, and you have to be very careful with it. So after that, I'm using the mascara now to apply. I'm applying the mascara on my natural lashes, guys. So go and get that one too. Two beauty blender, mascara, eyeshadow, powder, eyelashes too. I mentioned all those things. Then foundation, primer, setting powder. Don't forget, guys. Or if you forget, you can come back and watch it too, or you write it down. As you are watching, write it down. So this is one of the brushes I showed you, and I am going to use it with this powder I showed you before. I am going to set my face with my skin finish powder that matches my skin tone to make the face look more warm and beautiful. So that's the purpose of doing this. Then I am going to go in with the blush. I showed you the blush before, now that came with the eyeshadow palette. So I just dip in my brush on it. Now I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone area, guys, to make the cheekbone more prominent, to accentuate the cheekbone. That is why we are doing it, guys. You are going to see how it will look now after everything. It will look very beautiful. So you need the brush and the palette. Go and get them. I hope you are getting value out of this. So I hope you are understanding it, guys. So this is another brush, guys, that we'll be using to apply our highlighter on the nose. The purpose of using this small brush is because we don't want the highlighter to spread all over the nose. That's why we are doing this thing. We are using a small brush to apply the highlighter on the nose. So then I am going in with that bigger brush to apply the highlighter on my cheekbone area. Guys, are you seeing how it looks now? Very beautiful. Then this is the lipstick I'll be using, but before then I am going in with that same eye pencil I showed you in the beginning that I use in drawing my eyebrows. I'm using it to line my lips first before I apply the lipstick. Then I'm applying the lipstick now, guys. I hope you are enjoying this video, guys. So I'm setting my face now with the setting powder spray I showed you before. I showed you earlier that I showed you in the beginning. So this is it. I showed you in the beginning setting spray. So that's what I'm using to set my face. Guys, this is the finished look now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I made this video just to show you how much I bought those products, how much I bought everything, and how you can use them as a beginner. So this is just for me to explain the look to you. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section down below.